KFC is launching a Cheetos sandwich across America, and it represents a massive shift in the chicken chain's strategy. Imagine that is your strategy. Imagine that boardroom meeting. They're like, I got it. Cheetos on the chicken sandwich. Jack, are you salivating?
Is it bad that kind of looks good to me?
I didn't expect you to say that.
Maybe I'm just hungry right now. But
I think you're just hungry, first of all. I mean, look, it's all salty. The chicken's salty, the sauce is salty, and the Cheetos themselves are salty. You can do it, but for me, it's like this stuff is getting to a point where I feel like they're creating these food products, what they would consider to be innovative, just because they know guys like us, people on the internet are going to share it. Mm-hmm. They're going to go, it's so crazy. I got to, people are going to go on Instagram and be like, I got the Cheetos whack job thing. And their friends are going to go, oh my God, like it's shareable. That's a shareable thing. But it is funny to think about it as innovation because in their business, what do you do with a chicken sandwich, Jack? It's still a chicken sandwich.
Yeah. There's only so many places you could go.
And at KFC, I bet they've had the same chicken sandwich for God knows how long. And they're like, hey, we got Taco Bell does this kind of stuff. They did Doritos stuff. And, I mean, you got everything going on with the Beyond Meat, Impossible Burger stuff. Mm-hmm. Everyone's trying to switch it up. And anyway, they claim this is their move to go to a more youthful audience. You think they're going to get the youngsters with this, Jack?
Yeah. Well, I'm, imagining, certain things are now legal in Canada and other states in the U.S. And this might...
You're talking about certain plants?
This might cater to those gentlemen and ladies out on a Friday night that are indulging and want to...
It's not a bad play, Jack. You think it lines up.
Yeah.
You think it's part of the motivation. You think that enters the boardroom, that talk right there?
For sure.
Look at you. Is this your best moment right now?
Maybe.
Yeah. I think you just peaked.
It's downhill from here.
I think you just peaked. All right. So starting July 1st, KFC is launching this sandwich with a layer of Cheetos. The sandwich also features Cheetos, sauce, and mayo. Oh, baby. Cheetos sauce.
Yeah, you can
I don't know.
see
It's obviously like some sort of a spicy cheese sauce type of thing going on there. So anyway, they got a new president, I guess, Kevin Hochman. He's the president of their U.S. business. I don't know if he's new, actually, but they got a bunch of new menu items because of him in 2019. And this is the future of fast food. I'm telling you right now. It's got to be a meme like everything else. Everything's got to be a meme these days to get that organic marketing shared on social media. I don't think this is the last wacky sandwich we're going to see. I mean, he even calls it a fun stunt.
He calls it a fun stunt, yeah.
So there you have it. And we just bought into the stunt, all of us. So it works. What can I say? I don't think I'm going to buy one, though. Oh. But it definitely works. Got us talking about it. Yeah, their collaboration is going to yield some other products as well. It looks like some Cheetos fries, some Cheetos chicken wings, and Cheetos mashed potatoes. So get ready,
sign me up.
Get yourself ready